Let's talk about the Fender FXA5 earbuds, also used as in-ear monitors. That's really why I bought them. Let's get into it. That's what they look like when they come in. I'm going to read to you what it says on the back. Dual balanced armature drivers combine to provide clarity and precision at all frequencies throughout the mix. 3D printed housing and patent pending tips provide a secure, comfortable fit and reduce ambient noise. Low oxygen copper wire with integrated formable wire for secure over-the-ear fit. Alright, so it comes with a 1/4-inch adapter and a cleaning tool, deluxe carrying case, and 4 different ear tips. Let's go ahead and open it up, see what they look like. There's a little quick start guide, little carrying case. Open that up. 4 sets of ear tips. Little king brush. 1/4-inch adapter. That would go from 3.5 millimeter to 1/4, otherwise known as 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch. Slide them on there. That fits pretty good. So I'm using the medium plus for my ears. They have small, medium, medium plus, and then they have large. All right, so I have a little adjuster right there. I'm gonna bring mine down because I usually bring mine in from behind me to kind of hide the wires. They have a little L and a little R on the back of them. Let's see if I can show it to you. That blue L is what they look like. Let's go ahead and give it the real test. What do they sound like? Okay, first off, they fit pretty comfortably. They stay in pretty well. I'd give them 8 out of 10 for staying in. When you are a musician wearing in-ear monitors and you're moving around, they like to kind of move around. Unless you spend thousands of dollars on custom molded to your ear ones, they're gonna move a little bit. These are doing pretty well for just sitting here. I'm curious to see how they do when I'm playing. They mold around the ear pretty well. This wire, this section from here to here, moves around. They pivot however you need, so the wire is a little less inclined to get in a bind because of that pivot, so that's nice. That's a good feature. The highs are pretty good. I would give them a 7 out of 10. The mids are all right. I'd give them maybe a 6 or 7 out of 10, 6.5 out of 10. The lows are there, but they're not very pronounced. I'm gonna give them a 4 out of 10. Overall, they are a pretty good upgrade from the ones that I've been sporting. I'm pretty happy with my purchase. I got these on eBay for like 60 bucks. I'm not sure if Fender is still making them or if they're discontinued or not, but for what they are and for what I paid for them, I'm pretty satisfied. I'm happy about them. If you were curious about how they sounded, I hope I answered all your questions. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you would hit that like button and subscribe to this channel, that really helps me out. I really appreciate you guys coming back, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Until then, have a blessed day.